Show off your casual and cool style with these splash booties this season. These are awesome because they have a nice man-made upper with this glossy finish, but I love the matte stretch panels that are going to be really flexible and give you a comfortable feel in the ankle. You can slip into these using that pull tab at the back, and inside you'll find that these have a man-made lining with a cushioned footbed to really keep you comfortable on your feet. I love this platform midsole. It's chunky, it's cool, and it's going to give off such a unique vibe. These sit on top of an outsole that's going to provide a lot of traction, durability, and stability under your feet. The closed round toe design is going to be nice to wear when it's chilly outside, and you can definitely style these with a slit skirt and graphic tee for an edgy look.